that she wants to help without lording it over them or coming against them when she finds out one of these secrets. How would you tell her to handle that?
Well, first of all, she's old enough to know that the enemy has increased the sexual battle.
Who knows if we let her watch cricket with us?
Who's carrying the play? They outshot the Blackhawks 11-6, but of course no goals to show for it. So we head to at least a second 20-minute session. This all happened because Mike Richards tied it with 10. The Kings won a face-off in the Hawk end lane. Patrick Kane has scored with less than 4 minutes to play in the third. It looked like that would be the winner for the Hawks. It did not stand up. Kane with 2 goals tonight. Assists. Also Richards with a goal and an assist. But we are 3-3, just about to start a second overtime. Live at the United Center, Dave Kerner, News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
Baseball now, John Danks retired the final 21 batters. And we are scheduled to go to the CBS Sports Radio Network at 11. So what we're going to do is keep it here until 11 o'clock. We're going to hope that the Hawks score very, very early in the second overtime period.